Hi friends. I am Caesar from PS Tuteler. There are built-in patterns in Photoshop. If you can't see Pattern tab, then go to Windows and click on Patterns. Now you can see built-in patterns of Photoshop. You can use them anywhere you want. Create blank layer and apply pattern. You can use different patterns. If you want to use patterns from old versions of Photoshop, let's see how we can import old patterns, and how we can define a custom pattern. Click on this icon, and click on Legacy Patterns and More. You can see group of legacy patterns. These are patterns from old versions of Photoshop. There are a lot of patterns in it. There is color paper patterns, grayscale patterns. I mean a lot of patterns in this group. You can use them easier like other patterns. But if we want to create custom pattern from any image, we can create it in easier way. Go to Window and click on Libraries. You can see a tab for libraries. Click on this plus icon to add new elements. Then choose Extract from Image. It will take some time to process. A window will pop up to create pattern. You can define 5 types of patterns. Click on icons one by one and see shapes of pattern. So you can define 5 types of patterns from one image. Pattern is an image or line art that can be tiled repeatedly. Suppose I choose this icon for pattern. We are going to create pattern from this image. We can see that image in preview. So we can create pattern. Play with scale to change shape of pattern. You can rotate pattern with rotation. When you satisfy with shape of pattern, click on Save to CC Libraries. It will process and create pattern in libraries. Then you can click on Close. We just created Capture Pattern 3. Click on it to apply on layer. You can scale up or down. It's your choice which scale suits you. Scale 10% looks nice for this pattern. You can change angle for this pattern. Angle 0 is better for this pattern. The point is, it's up to you to adjust pattern. Click on OK when you satisfy with shape of pattern. You can apply it by changing blend mode, or apply with reducing opacity. This is way you can create a pattern from any image and save it into your own library. It will add to libraries. I hope you like this tip. Hit like and subscribe if you like video. Thanks for watching.